It finally came. The battery for the Roomba scheduler. I already put the other one away, so it's just hollow. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Yeah. Oh, okay. I like the detailed package. 14.4 volts. Yeah. So we just pull this little tab right here, and packaged correctly is the correct battery. Which was some weird packaging, I gotta say. Going to manually plug this in. It's not a Roomba brand. As you can see, Roomba advises you to use Roomba brand. They always want you to, even though nobody really wants to. Because who wants to use Roomba brand when it's like the most expensive thing ever? Okay, so we're ready to begin. And I'm going to plug this in, and when it charges, I will make another video. And then it'll be good. Actually, before I plug this thing in, let me set you down really quick. Yes, before I plug it in, to do the charger. Go over and let's install it and plug it in. Really hit a click. Not really clicking. Just hold it upside down like this. You can get it to fall out. Yeah, that's not going in correctly. It's a good battery. So this is our new battery. So glad. Finally giving it this. Oh, yay. This is so awesome. That is charging our new battery. It's our packaging stuff right here. It's got a lot. Just wrap that back up. Oops. Okay, well now it's got wings. Okay guys, I finally got my Roomba scheduler battery. Thanks for watching.